Genesis 23. Sarah's death and Abraham's first land in Canaan.
5 special verses from Genesis 23. Genesis 23 verses 1 through 2. Sarah's passing. Sarah lived 127 years. These were the years of the life of Sarah. And Sarah died at Kiriath Arba, that is, Hebron, in the land of Canaan. And Abraham went in to mourn for Sarah and to weep for her. A tender moment of loss. Abraham's love and grief show the depth of their lifelong journey together. Genesis 23 verse 4. Abraham the foreigner. I am a sojourner and foreigner among you. Give me property among you for a burying place, that I may bury my dead out of my sight. Abraham humbly asks for land, a small but symbolic act of taking hold of God's promised inheritance. Genesis 23 verse 6. Honored among the people. Hear us, my Lord. You are a prince of God among us. Bury your dead in the choicest of our tombs. The Hittites respect Abraham and acknowledge his spiritual stature, a prince of God.
Genesis 23:11. Generosity offered. No, my Lord, hear me. I give you the field, and I give you the cave that is in it. Though Abraham insists on paying, Ephron initially offers the field freely, a gesture of honor. Genesis 23:20. Legal ownership secured. The field and the cave that is in it were made over to Abraham as property for a burying place by the Hittites. This marks the first land Abraham owns in Canaan, a key step in the fulfillment of God's promise.